Prime, I'm Nokit Kimboy. Now, high net worth Kenyans are repatriating their wealth back into Kenya in search of a safe haven in the face of an increasingly turbulent global economy. According to the 2024 Wealth Report by Knight Frank, while most of the money flowing into Kenya is headed to real estate, many wealthy people are preferring to buy second and third homes rather than investing in commercial real estate as the sector continues to slow down. It's Diana with that report.
The Wealth Report by Knight Frank, a global barometer for high net worth individuals and their spending and investment habits, struck a positive note for 2024 as it revealed that Kenya has emerged as a safe haven for its wealthiest investors as the country's growth lures funds back home amid world turmoil and post-COVID slowdowns.
60% of our high net worth individuals' wealth is held in their primary and secondary residences. This is highlighting the importance of real estate as an investment, and also the fact that only 10% of that residential real estate is held abroad highlights the importance of their money staying close to home.
The findings are based on the Wealth Attitude Survey, which is based on responses from the private bankers and wealth advisors, many of these indicating that many Kenyan high net worth individuals remain strongly positive, with 62.5% anticipating wealth increase in 2024 and 3/4 expecting to maintain or increase their wealth.
ESG, we're in line with global markets where we continue to see the growth of importance. Investors looking for renewable green energy in their buildings, which ultimately come with long-term cost saving, making these attractive investments.
The research also indicates that carbon cutting is becoming an increasingly urgent global priority as temperature rises accelerate the erratic rainy season, droughts and cyclones become more common. Many wealthy individuals are now paying attention to their impact on the environment and on climate.
There's a lot of interest in Kenya as the gateway to East Africa already, creating a space for the people that are interested in this market to come in and actually occupy, right? The barriers to entry is what keeps everybody away from everything. Once you start to knock down those barriers and provide the environment for international tenants and international investors to come into the market, they'll come here.
The report states that wealthy Kenyans' hopefulness in the country's economy this year is associated with the political stability, which is viewed as conducive for investment purposes. These findings align with the recent World Bank projections indicating that Kenya's economy is set to grow at a faster rate of 5.2%. For KTN News, I am Esther Diana.
And now let's talk data. Kenya's rapidly growing digital economy called